Look at all that crispy cheese. We're making pizza fries, so let's make it. I'm gonna spray them with a little bit of oil, and they go in the air fryer until crispy, and then we'll top them off with the sauce and everything. I'm gonna slice up the salami into thin strips. Fry they're crispy. Some cheese. Add the spicy salami. Italian seasoning and crushed red pepper flakes. Back in the air fryer until the cheese is melted and the salami is crispy. Some hot giardiniera. It's a Chicago classic. If you know, you know.